Do you want to learn how to make an image black and white in Canva on PC? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to Canva, create a new design, or you can just click on this YouTube thumbnail. This is 1280 by 720 pixels, or you can go for a custom size as well. Now, once you're on this project page, either upload an image that you already have, or you can go to Elements and import an image onto my project. So in Photos, scroll down and find an image. You can either click it and it's going to be imported inside the project, or you can click and drag it inside. With this, I'm going to right click it and set image as a background. Now there are multiple ways to make an image black and white in Canva. So first we are going to check out the first method. Click on this image, click on edit, and then on the right hand side, click on adjust. Now scroll down till you find the color. Under the color, you will find saturation. Just click on this scroll, drag it to the left till you see it at -100. Now you will find that the image is now black and white. This is the first method. Second method to making an image black and white would be to click on filters, see all. Now inside this, scroll down till you find this mono section. And inside here, you've got all of these options. I like to use Noir. If you click it, it's going to make it black and white. Now you can also change the intensity of this by moving the slider left or right. Now the third way to make an image black and white would be to go into effects, and under it we've got this duotone. Click on this, and then the first option is custom. You will click it and keep the highlights as white and shadows as black. Now you can again see that our image has been turned into a black and white photo. So this is how you can make an image black and white in Canva on PC. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.